I shared a perspective on Sunday about SAU Elizabeth, a possible 400 pip drop, and you see on 4 hours double top structure, break of the neckline by close of Friday. You will see the neckline was already broken by close of Friday, and Sydney Open is dropping this price. I think what our structure was 100% right, and we'll continue to see this thing. And one of the places that you feel very comfortable to make a right trigger will be at this floor. This is a very nice floor for anybody. This is also another nice floor. So this analysis was shared, a free market structure analysis shared on Sunday, and it feels good to see it come true. Feels good to see it come true. It's for educational purpose only. It's not intended to make you a billionaire, but it's a process. The more you master how to trade gold, the more you are liberated for life, forever and ever. So this trade idea was for educational purpose and it came true. I knew it based on the structure. After price breaking out from the descending trend line, it's going to be a long ride. Whether you like it or not, it's going to be a long ride. It's going to be a long ride. But however market decides to play around, of course we are open to recalibrate. The structure is very simple. The more the market try to change it, the more you recalibrate. I mean, nothing is permanent in this market. So if the market changes its sentiment, we also recalibrate in line with change in sentiment. So it was a nice analysis, and I said it. Gold was setting up a 400 pip drop. It has done 140, 120 pip drop. Breakfast for Sydney, breakfast for Sydney and Tokyo is gone. So it is what it is. It is what it is. I said it, and the next area you begin to look at is to see price come down to retest here to give you a W. So it's tentative because price has already broken out from a long-term ascending trend line. It makes sense on technical to sweep liquidity, considerable liquidity sweep. So it will be on technical to be very mindful with buy and key areas where I know we're going to have exhaustion in the market, the buy exhaustion, and where we'll have impetus reignited will be at this level. I'm very skeptical of a retest to the broken roof as that liquidity grab will look like a choice play. I would like price to tap into this zone where it looks more professional and where I think liquidity might lie for buy based on the structure this week. This week that was set up, and I expect price to tap into this zone, which I already said in my yesterday analysis, where we analyze gold in a professional manner. And I see this price sinking by Sydney Asian Open. Asians came and they are selling off. Asians might continue to sell up to London section sell, and we may begin to see reversal at New York section. So New York session might push price into 2006 42, maybe 2006 40, and give us a W. This is a valid structure. But for me, I want to see a break of this structure and let price return below 2600. That is where we have 2601 into 2599. It's a very strong price action level. If price returns here, you're going to have a quick 100 pip move, over 100 to 200 pip move, guarantee, based on Shavyfxhub strategy. It is based on in-house strategy developed, and we share this idea for free. And it feels good to see price come through. It feels really good. It really feels so good. you see all analysis come to pass. I said that gold was setting up a 400 pip drop. Go check the video. And price have come after a double top touch at the roof by close of Friday, and sellers have taken over this market. And I believe that they will continue to smash this market. Be very careful with buy at this level. This level has been tested, and it makes sense to buy from the break of the previous low. So if price returns here, it will make no sense. Yeah, it's possible that price might trigger. I want price to return at this level. A return at this level will be a buy at the previous low. I mean, to be a buy at the break of a previous low. And when we look at it on technical again, we'll find some fundamental strategies that we have always applied. A very sharp demand structure. You can see it very sharp. Support structure, support structure. It makes sense to see price return here. Maybe we can have a double confluence at this level where a descending trend line will meet an ascending trend line, will give us a double confluence and a trigger for uptick. So we want to see that. We have already shared this perspective on before the open of the market, and SAU honestly is looking at dropping 400 p. So just be very careful. Just be very careful. We need confluence. We need confluence to buy. Where I find confluence at this level, I found confluence at this level, 2,600 level. I find a very strong confluence at this level. So it feels good.